very amazingly, I made 10 steps for self-love practicing.
Wow.
That would be more easier for everyone to grab
Yeah,
it.
please.
So first step is, so one thing that I always add in the self-love lifestyle that I mentor is about, if you are ready to get uncomfortable,
Yeah.
then only come. Because it's not, self-love is not a comfort zone.
Yeah, it is.
If you're thinking that way, it's like completely no.
पेंडोरस का बॉक्स खोलना है भाई। जिस चीज को अवॉइड कर रहे हो ना जिंदगी भर से कि ये इसको बाद में देखेंगे, इसको अभी देखना है, इसको अभी देखना है।
And you'll try to avoid and you'll give so many excuses कि मैं नहीं देखना चाहता या नहीं होगा, but you have to go through it. There is no option.
Yeah.
So get ready to become uncomfortable.
See, I want to talk about this aspect because see, मेरा जो transition हुआ है, मेरी जो audience भी है, right? These are people who aspire to become something in life, right? In very uncomfortable way because see, when आप एक status को challenge करते हो अपनी लाइफ में, कोई मिडिल क्लास है, कोई वेरी ऑर्थोडॉक्स फैमिली से आ रहा है कि मुझे इस फील्ड में क्रिएट करना है, लाइक इवन फॉर योर प्रोफेशन टू बी फ्लरिश, इट्स लाइक ऐसा कोई प्रोफेशन होता है क्या, राइट? यू क्रिएटेड इट योर सेल्फ, लाइक यू सेल्फ लव ज्वेल्स, लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक, मैंने जब पहली बार, दिस इज समथिंग आई नेवर हर्ड ऑफ, राइट? यू रोट द बुक ऑन सेल्फ लव, राइट? एंड नाउ यू मेंटर पीपल विद फॉर दैट थिंग, सेल्फ लव. तो ये मेंटल जो एक रिलेशनशिप होती है ना खुद से इंसान की, और जब आप ऐसे किसी भी जर्नी में जाते हो, लाइक इवन फॉर यू इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉमेटिक एक्सपीरियंस जो किसी से दिखता नहीं है किसी को, बट मेंटली आपको अफेक्ट कर रहा है, राइट? हाउ, जैसे यू वर इनसिक्योर अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स कि ये नहीं चली तो, लाइक इट कैन बी एनी रिलेशनशिप, फ्रेंडशिप, विद पेरेंट्स, विद फ्रेंड्स, एनीथिंग, लव, व्हाटएवर इट इज, राइट? बट द कोर इज योर रिलेशनशिप विद योरसेल्फ, राइट? सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सेल्फ लव अ बिट. और जो भी बंदा ऐसी किसी जर्नी पे जा रहा है, या मैं जैसे अपने ड्रीम के लिए फाइट कर रहा हूँ, या आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट इन माई लाइफ, राइट? सो पीपल विल जज यू, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस. पीपल विल लीव यू ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू हैव नाउ इवॉल्व्ड. आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ज़्यादा बेटर होते जा रही है, यू आर नॉट इन द लोअर पिरामिड एनी मोर. सो ऑटोमेटिकली यू वोंट फील कंफर्टेबल, दे ऑल्सो वोंट फील कंफर्टेबल विद यू. उनको पार्टी करनी है, उनको टाइम पास करना है, आपको नहीं करना, बिकॉज यू आर नाउ गोल ओरिएंटेड पर्सन.
ट्रू.
Right? So how do somebody in such phase, who's a dreamer, who wants to become something in life or just have a different notion of life, they build a strong core relationship with themselves with the help of self-love and then build upon it?
The first and foremost is believe in yourself.
True.
And if something is not coming, that you're not feeling that you should do it, but maybe logically every reasoning would be there that you should do it,
Yeah.
don't do it.
Okay.
Because if it's not coming from your gut, it's not coming from your inside,
Yeah.
don't do it. Because you know very well
Yeah.
what is good for you and what is calling for you. Because sometimes the world will look, the Disneyland, the best of the things and the best of the images
Yeah.
and everything.
Yeah.
But when you go inside, there would be nothing for you. Maybe because you don't want that. You wanted something else.
Yeah, you're satisfied with something else, right?
Yes. And so you really need to believe and do the action which actually you feel that, yes, I should do.
Yes.
If any moment of time, if you're getting a calling, you should back off. Back off. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुम कर ही जाओ.
So true.
And now there is a difference between the gut feeling and the fear.
हाँ, पता चला कि पहले ये अनकंफर्टेबल होने पे बोली
हाँ, नहीं. There is a difference between the gut feeling and the fear. So पहले तो उस अपने आप से connect करना.
Correct.
That what you believe in, what do you feel? Uncomfort होगा. Like I give you an example for this. Long time back, I think in 2012.
Okay.
So I was having PCOD problem, and I was like fat. Like I was like
Really fat?
gained of weight like 5-6 kg above my weight. So I was like very chubby person kind of.
Okay.
So I had a feeling that if I didn't get it done or clarified right now,
Yeah.
then I will have a severe problem, or maybe I have to be hospitalized for some work.
Okay.
I got that feeling.
Okay.
And I then went to a Ayurvedic hospital.
Yeah.
And they told me certain treatments like enema, body massage. So body massage is okay, but enema is like scary again for me.
Yeah.
but I made sure I will go through this pain.
Yeah, you have to do it.
Actually, it's not painful, but the pain is in the mind.
Mind, yeah.
It's not painful process, but the pain is in the mind that something weird is happening. And I made sure that I will do it because I know that is good for my body.
Yeah.
After that, I did ice bath also.
Wow.
I did walk on the fire charcoal also.
Oh,
I have to come over all my fears. So I deliberately go there. I walked it so that I'm out of the fear of it now.
yeah.
So that was very important and main agenda for me, that I have to overcome my fears.
So true.
So working on self-love is very important also to overcome your fear. You don't want to do certain thing, it should be by your choice.
Yeah.
It should not be based on the choice of the fear
Yeah.
that is
things should
holding
not
you
control
back.
you.
Yes. The emotion basically.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody will ask me oh, can you do the bungee jumping there? So the two reaction would be, one person who is in fear, no, I won't do it. It's too scary for me. मेरा गर्दन वर्दन टूट गई तो.
Yeah.
Or one person, no, technically I don't feel like doing it right now. So there's a shift of emotions.
Yeah.
So are you working out of fear or are you working
In control.
in control?
Yeah.
In control, and I'll say in content.
Yeah. Got it.
So, and very amazingly, I made 10 steps for self-love practicing.
Wow.
That would be more easier for everyone to grab
Yeah,
it.
please.
So first step is accept yourself.
Okay.
Accept as you are.
Perfect.
Right or wrong doesn't matter. The important
करो.
is accept. अपने आप को accept
Yeah,
करो भाई.
हाँ, भाई. एक ही तो है.
एक ही है. टेढ़ा है मेरा है.
हाँ, तेरा. सीधी बात.
Then the second point is appreciation. Appreciate yourself. बहुत लोग अपने आप को appreciate नहीं करते, खुद ही को गालियाँ देते हैं या victim
हाँ.
बनाते हैं या पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलते हैं.
A very bad habit.
Very bad habit. खुद ही
Very
को
bad
कम, they want to deep
I
put
don't know
themselves.
what sort of happiness, मतलब वो होता है ना, victim mood में भी अलग खुशी मिलती है उनको.
होता है, trippy है.
हाँ, ये भाई अलग से सैडनेस, भाई उदास सॉन्ग से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं चलता इंटरनेट के ऊपर, सैड सॉन्ग्स वर्क लाइक दैट.
या. So अपने आप को appreciate करो. It's very important to
Yeah.
appreciate yourself.
Yeah.
अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी कर दिया या कोई पंगा भी कर दिया, बहुत बढ़िया पंगा किया भाई, मैं ही कर सकती थी. इससे बढ़िया और इतनी सुंदर तरीके से पंगा और कौन कर सकता था.
और ऐसे सोच कौन सकता है.
So always appreciate yourself.
Absolutely.
Whatever people are, you don't have to talk about your appreciation in front of the other people. You can do it in your mind with yourself in the room.
Yeah, it's the most important one.
Yes. And the third is the intent. Have clear intention that what you want to do in your life now. Because with that intention, you're going to work on everything.
Correct.
Then the fourth point is reform. Once you start working on your intention and working out, you will have changes in your life. So you will have a reformation of yourself. Allow yourself to reform. Allow yourself to change.
Correct.
It's okay to change.
हाँ, मतलब सेम तो नहीं दिख सकते पूरी जिंदगी भर, राइट?
और कभी सेम दिखते भी नहीं हो आप.
हाँ.
सो फिर अपने आदतों को क्यों एकदम सेम रखना.
करेक्ट.
अपने इमोशन को क्यों सेम रखना.
करेक्ट.
Allow it to change. And the fifth one is adore yourself.
हाँ, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है.
भाई आप ही अपने, वो कहते हैं ना, यू आर द किंग और क्वीन और गॉड और गॉडेस ऑफ योर लाइफ.
या, ऑब्वियसली.
आप एग्जिस्ट करते हो तो इसलिए आपकी दुनिया एग्जिस्ट करती है.
करेक्ट.
आप एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते तो कोई भी नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता, कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती.
गेम ओवर.
गेम ओवर. सो अप्रिशिएट से भी ज़्यादा अपने आप को पूजो.
या, आई वुड से यहाँ पे ना एक लाइन में ऐड करना चाहूँगा, जस्ट टू ऐड अ वैल्यू टू इट, इज कि नोबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स यू बेटर देन योरसेल्फ.
एब्सोल्युटली.
सो जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपको सुनना ना, आप ही को पता है.
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. एंड उसके साथ साथ यू आर द गॉड.
या.
आप अपने आप को ना उस लेवल पे देखो, उस पोजीशन पे देखो, बिकॉज दैट विल मेक यू फील मोर पावरफुल एंड स्ट्रेंथफुल,
एब्सोल्युटली.
मोर करेजियस.
Absolutely.
So these 5 steps are very important. And then follow the next 5 steps. That is kindness. Be kind towards yourself.
कोई बात नहीं, बुरा दिन भी होते हैं,
हाँ होते
जाने
हैं,
दो.
कर दिया तो कर दिया, कोई नहीं, हो जाता है यार.
डोंट कीप इट इन योर हार्ट.
बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है सेनोरिटा.
जरूरी है यार, यू हैव टू फॉरगिव योरसेल्फ यार.
सो काइंडनेस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देन उसके बाद है ऑथेंटिसिटी. बी ऑथेंटिक.
दिस इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अपनी ऑथेंटिसिटी लेके आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. लाइक एक कोई भी आप काम करने जा रहे हो, अगर आपकी उसमें ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं है, वो उतना खिल के नहीं आएगा, उसमें उतनी अप्रिशिएशन भी नहीं मिलेगी आपको. बट जो आप वो करोगे ना, चाहे वो दूसरे एक्सेप्ट करें या ना करें, बट देयर वुड बी फ्यू पीपल वुड लव दैट वर्क एंड दे वांटेड एग्जैक्टली दैट वर्क ओनली.
आई थिंक ये स्टूपिड का नोशन खत्म कर देना चाहिए. लाइक यू माइट फील इट्स अ स्टूपिड थिंग, बट किसी और के लिए लाइफ चेंजिंग है.
एब्सोल्युटली.
And I have experienced that, you know, initially when I shot some of the videos, I felt like क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा किसी को, है ना? And it went viral and then I was like, okay, इसको फर्क पड़ा. You know, I was thinking this is stupid. Everybody should be knowing this already, right?
Absolutely.
But he didn't.
Absolutely. Initially what happened with me was मैं sound sessions देती थी and I'm like, दे दिया, हो गया, खत्म कहानी. हाँ. But when people met me after 6 months and they said, one of the person said कि your one sound therapy helped me so much that when my father passed away, I really wanted to quit everything. And I still have that feeling of the, you know, healing that I had at that time, and that made me go through.
Wow.
So I was like, really?
Yeah. Like, serious. ऐसे incidents होते हैं.
Absolutely.
Even with me, it happened suddenly in a gym. I don't know. Very divine intervention. मैं सुबह गया था. I had a very surreal experience with Shivling. I was the only one in the temple. Early morning, Monday. I don't know. और उस दिन एक चीज़ थी जो वर्कआउट नहीं करी थी मेरे लिए. And I wasn't very sad about it or something like. I don't keep anything. मैं उनको बस यही बोलता हूँ कि जो बेस्ट है वो करो. It's not about winning or losing. ठीक है? And then I met a guy, elder to me, almost twice my age. Suddenly walked up. And ऐसी एक experience of we had a conversation and he broke down. Like you said exactly what the things I wanted to hear. Somehow, you know, healed me, or like he did a namaskaram and he went away. And I was like, what has happened? And then I realized, okay, the Shivling thing was meant to happen to go through this. Because I was energized. Because I wanted to pass on that energy to someone else. It was not mine. It was coming through me.
You become a channel.
You become a channel. You become a channel. But that comes from surrender.
Yes.
You need to understand it's not yours.
Yes.
अगर खुद का मान लिया तो खुद के पास ही रहेगा.
True. So the next point is uniqueness. Build your own uniqueness.
Yeah.
Because your uniqueness will help you stand out.
Yeah.
And don't be scared of showing your uniqueness.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
And you are unique. No doubt about it.
Yeah.
आपके जैसा और कोई भी नहीं है पूरी दुनिया में.
मैं flaunt करता हूँ, मेरा गला टूटा था.
So you allow yourself to flaunt your uniqueness.
Yeah.
Then is respect.
Very important again.
Respect yourself. If you won't respect yourself, nobody else will respect you. So allow yourself to give that respect to yourself first. Because that respect will follow to other people. And all the point that we are sharing is not only for yourself. The same is for other people also. But you can show that to other people only when you have experienced it.
Obviously, yeah.
And the last one is, the 10th point is royal. Live like a royal life.
Wow.
Because you are meant to.
Yeah, people think they don't deserve it. I don't know why.
You totally deserve it.
Yeah.
You believe you deserve it. You allow yourself
अरे at least तुम
to
तो
deserve
believe
it.
करो. कोई और करे ना करे, तुम तो करो.
So these 10 points, it's like accept, appreciate, intent, reform, adore, kindness, authenticity, uniqueness, respect, and royal. 10 points that allow you to follow self-love.
Yeah.
And that will allow you to heal yourself in a very finer state.
And I believe you have mentioned this all things in detail in the book. So yeah,
Actually,
definitely check it out.
Definitely you check it out. And moreover, you will always remember it with AAIRA KAURR.
Oh. लोगों को अगर नहीं समझा तो it's her name.
It's my name. It's Ira Kaur.
Yeah.
So remember the self-love tips and you will see a transformation within you.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है, देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Until then, keep dreaming. I'll see you in the next one.